Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I am going to show you how to update your iPhone to iOS 15. Now I know a few days ago I did iOS 14.8. Yesterday, the 20th, Apple released iOS 15. So here's how you get it. So what you do is you go into your settings, which I am in right now. You click General, you click Software Update, and you can see at the bottom there that there is iOS 15. So I am going to click that. It says, here's the cool thing about it, so we're going to click Learn More. It says, audio makes people's voices sound like they're coming from the direction in which they are positioned. So if you're facing off to the left, you're going to hear it off to the left. So with stereo speakers you have a left channel and a right channel. So if they're facing to the left, you're going to hear the sound more towards the left channel. If you're facing right, you're going to hear it more to the right channel. This is messages and Memoji. Share your content, friends, news section, info, Safari, Apple News, Apple Music, Apple Podcasts, or Apple TV app. Pin content. Let you automatically filter notifications based on what you're currently doing, which is very, very nice. You have a little more control over it. Focus-based contacts. A new look displays contacts, photos for people, larger icons for apps, notification summary delivery, helpful collection, your notification daily based on a schedule you set. So you have a little more control. Detailed city maps, trees, buildings, landmarks, crosswalks, turn. So they're going to, with this, you're going to have more of a really expensive car GPS with this. And these are all Los Angeles, which is where I'm at, New York, and London, with more cities coming in the future. iPhone XS, iPhone XS Max, iPhone XR and later, new driving features. I have the iPhone 11, just the standard 11. It says bottom top tab bar easier to reach, helps you move between tabs by swiping left or right. Tab overview, wallet, unlock supporter home. You can do live text, which is really cool. You have spotlight. You have photos, new look for memories, health alerts to share with people with important duties caring for you, including your healthcare provider, which means you can set things up to notify you of that. What's nice is you have certain things that can be read. Privacy, iCloud Plus, which is basically a better iCloud. Accessibility, and that's iOS feature, so I'm going to click Done. Scroll down. So I'm going to turn it back this way. I'm going to click Download and Install. Alright, so I'll turn it this way. You have to agree to the terms and conditions on this one, even though you agreed for the last one. Now, something to note about this is if you're going from 14.7, you can go from 14.7 to 15, and it will have all the updates 14.8 has. But I notice with this, at least older updates, you have to go in order. So I'm doing it in order. So I click agree. It's requesting the update. This is a big update. This is the biggest update of them all. There's a reason for that. 14.8 is patching iOS 14. Is basically what's happening. We're going to a completely new iOS. Is basically what's happening. So with that, it's going to take a while to download. As much as I don't like to say that. Now, my network has a tendency to be a little slow at times. Your network might be really, really fast. So it depends on how your network deals with this. So I am connected to my Wi-Fi. So I'm going to turn it back this way. There we go. Because most of the time when I download these updates, it's like 5 minutes. So I will be back when this totally downloads. Alright, we are 2 minutes away, 1 minute away now, from having it prepare the install. Now, earlier in this video, you saw that it was going to take 20 minutes. And it's been about that. So, we're going to see what happens when it updates. So after the update, there's going to be a whole bunch of new settings. Now, from what I found out, doing my research, is you're going to have an option called I believe it's called, if I remember correctly, file transfer. Now, with that, excuse me, with that, you're going to be able to transfer files from your old iPhone to your new iPhone without having to go to your service provider store and having them do it. That is a good thing. Why is that a good thing? When you can do it on your own like that, that makes it a lot easier to do what you need to do. So once you do what you need to do, you can do that. It's a lot like the consoles, the gaming consoles. You could transfer it to certain hardware and take take that certain hardware and put it in the new console and transfer your data from that piece of hardware to the console. So as you can see, it is preparing the update. This does take a little bit of time. So we're going to see if the new update logo, what you see, is different or it's the same. I don't know with this new iOS. So we're going to find out and see what happens. I have to keep doing that, otherwise the phone will go to sleep. And I don't want it to. There we go, it jumped ahead. What is augmented reality? Cadillac uses that. It's basically where you're at. So I'm in my bedroom looking at the TV. I could put something in the image as well. Cadillac does that with their speedometer, their instrument cluster. It's basically a camera, and as you're looking at it, you'll see the camera picking up where you're at, but you'll also see the speedometer. So basically what it is, I can basically take a picture of something of where I'm at, and I could put stuff in front of it. I could do video. So it's like a layered effect. If you ever use Photoshop, it's like layers. So hopefully it'll be done soon. So if we go to learn more again, and this part always takes the longest as to preparing the update. Alright, so as you see, it is downloaded. So if I turn it this way, I am going to click install now. Here we go. So I click install now. So it's going to verify the update, and then the phone is going to restart just like it does on any other update. So I'm going to do my version of picture-in-picture here. Oh, there we go. There we go. As usual, it's going to do this. It's going to go to a certain amount and then it's going to restart. and you can see it. At the progress bar right there. So hopefully it should restart soon. And the phone is restarting. And it might restart multiple times too. That's what you got to watch out for. Alright, we are back in settings. So that's the Bluetooth logo, the new Bluetooth logo. So if we go down to General, you have software update, and to prove I am up to date, you have AirDrop. This you want to keep off. AirPlay handoff. I'm going to turn that off because I don't use iCloud. Picture in picture. When you're FaceTiming somebody, that could be, you'll see yourself in the bigger picture, which is the other person. You have CarPlay. If your car is capable of Bluetooth, you can use this, or USB only. But I clicked USB only, even though my car doesn't have it. Control Center, accessibility, voiceover, audio description touch, keyboard, yes, this has closed captioning. In general, you have About, you have Update, you have AirDrop, keyboard fonts, VPN. So I could create a VPN and connect my phone to it. This is the option that you want. It says Transfer or Reset iPhone. If you click it, so if I click Get Started, I have to prepare the new iPhone. But I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to do that because I don't need to do that. So I could do this. I could use this software without going to the store and have them transfer all my data. All they would need to do is use the access code to get the phone to work on the cellular network. I am not going to erase this iPhone. So if you do this, this is like when I used Drag Key on my PCs. This is built into the iOS. So I'm going to click Not Now. But mostly everything is the same. I'm going to show you something really cool. So this is the option that I am using when I mirror my phone to my TV. Now if you look at the focus and you look to the left of that and you see these two squares and they're lighting up blue. Those two squares that are lighting up blue is the mirror option on iOS 15. So anyway, that was it for this video. Please comment, like, subscribe, and click that bell for more notifications.